Welcome to bneworld. Today, we follow a charming conversation between mother and child. First session is Wake Up Conversation. Good morning, sleepyhead. Time to wake up.
Do we have to? I want to stay in bed a bit longer.
I get it. But we've got a fun day ahead. How about we start with your favorite cartoon while we get dressed?
Alright, that sounds cool. Can we have cereal too?
Absolutely. Let's get up. And we'll have a great breakfast together.
Okay, I'm getting up now.
Awesome. Let's make today fantastic. Second session is Turn on the lights. Good morning, sweetie. Can you turn on the light for me?
Do I have to? It's so bright.
I know, but the light helps us wake up and start our day. Plus, it's easier to see what we're doing.
Okay, I'll do it. But can we make it a little dim?
Sure, we can start with a soft light. Let's get up and see what's on the agenda for today.
Alright, here we go.
Thanks, honey. Now that we're up, let's have a great day together. Third situation is getting ready for school.
Mom, what time do we need to leave for school?
We should leave in about 15 minutes.
I need to pack my backpack.
Okay. Do you have everything you need?
I think so. I have my books, lunch, and water bottle.
Great. Did you remember your homework?
Yes, it's in my backpack.
Perfect. Did you have breakfast?
Not yet. Can I have a quick snack?
Sure. How about some fruit or yogurt?
Fruit sounds good.
Alright. I'll get you some. Let's hurry so you're not late.
Thanks, Mom. I'm ready to go.
Good. Let's get going.
Okay,